In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. You know, how to link your Bybit to the Google Authenticator app. Before we go into the video, if you find the video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. You will need the Google Authenticator and Bybit app for this tutorial. So first you log into your Bybit account. Then you go to the home page. Up right here, you click on your profile icon or picture. On your profile page, click on Settings. Right here, you click on Security. Under Passkeys, you click on this toggle icon to enable Google two-factor authentication. You will have to verify it's you by entering the code sent to your email address. You're given an authentication key. Copy the key and then head over to the Google Authenticator app. You can install the Google Authenticator app from the Play Store and App Store. Click on the plus icon below, then click on Enter a Setup Key. This is where you paste the key you copied from your Bybit account. Then on account name, I will name it Bybit. Then you click on Add. Now copy this code by clicking once. Go back to the Bybit app and then click on Next. Paste the code you copied earlier. You need to be quick about this because the code changes frequently. For example, when I go back to the app, you can see that the code has changed again. So if I copy the previous code, it won't work. Let's enter the new code as fast as possible before it changes again. And yes, you have successfully linked and connected your Authenticator app to Bybit. So, when you next log in or try to make a transaction, you will be requested a code from the Google Authenticator app. All you have to do is go to the Authenticator app and copy the code from there. Now, my Bybit account is more secure. Please subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful.